How to hide number in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can hide number in WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, hiding a number on WhatsApp, it is not possible or not, we'll go ahead and discuss. So let us discuss first of all why we want to hide number. We might want to hide number when we are in a certain group and somebody adds us to that group and our phone number is visible to everybody, and phone number is a very sensitive and private information, so that could be the reason why you want to hide it. But unfortunately, WhatsApp at the current time as I'm making this video does not offer such type of options where they allow you to hide the phone number. Now of course, the only thing that you can do is if you are using Telegram does offer you a way to hide the phone number on public groups or channels, or with the public chat also you can add people by username without revealing a phone number. But unfortunately on WhatsApp we currently don't have that. Even if I go to three dots, go to settings, go to privacy, I have the option to hide my last seen and online, but so far WhatsApp has not rolled out a feature yet where we can choose to hide our phone number, because WhatsApp is also a phone number basis application. So hope this video helped you understand the queries. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.